How to change language on your Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the language of your Netflix account. So to do that, if you go to your Netflix app and then log into your account, after that you'll have to choose a profile. Now as you can see, my language is currently set to English. Now if I want to change my language and then go to settings or account page, there you won't find any options as to how you can change the language. So to do that, you'll have to go to your browser. Now once you've done that, in the web address bar simply type in netflix.com. After that you will be taken to the login page where first of all you'll have to log into your Netflix account on the browser. Now once you've done that, simply sign into your account. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the home page of Netflix where you'll have to tap on the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the option account. Now you will be taken to the accounts page where you'll have to scroll down, and there under profile and parental controls you can see all of your different profiles of your Netflix account. So simply choose the one to which you want to change the language. So currently as you can see, the language is English, so simply tap on the option change, and then you will be taken to this page where you will be able to choose any one of these languages over here. So all you have to do is simply tap on the language which you want to choose. After that, scroll down, and once you tap on the option save, you will have successfully changed the language of your Netflix account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.